So as it stands, about 11 a.m. Ewa UK, which is 12 p.m. Ewa ha, which is noon time. Daniel Levy, Ebeshia, Hurricane, Entourage on person Mobetono from Bayern. Jean Christian Dressen, Ono Bayern Omo chairman, Anna Marco Nepe, the technical director, Omo Mienu no Metum Pass and Penny Fast Momo. Omano Semne say Bayern want to respectfully Omo di nidiemu, ebuomu. Ene ko bisa say aizo okwa akwaje oba ensa wawaye okwa akwa bisa oba na odi nidiemu okwa o say yesre say kwan da hoba na yemfa no sa process na Bayern ne kwa akoye. So respectfully and formally Omo present their interest in Hurricane say kwan da ho a yemfa. Now during this meeting nyoma ebekọ so no aye one Hurricane price no Tottenham will now make it definite at the Bayern. Bayern have made bets or must submit offers. But si come likoni ina no Tottenham bought to go because they did not consider. Enti afei no mo kwa ana Daniel Levy bet na se ebubu mu atre o mo say major mo 100 million pounds, major mo 90 million pounds. So the meeting outcome no ye behu the definite fee at Tottenham requested from Bayern so opeso to Hurricane. 2, Tottenham will also express interest in a youngster or Bayern team named Matisse Tel.
Okay.
Tottenham who say Hurricane they need to also focus on the future. And they will discuss the possibility of signing Matisse Tel from a Bayern Munich. Into when the two angles a fee space waba. On the part of Bayern, they will table an offer exceeding 80 million euros.
Okay.
At the Ama Daniel Levy. Into a carbon at the Troa Moa. Now Bayern for no swat to monum to us. Oh, open ye, your candidate womb, sir. Nanso, yes, we did say, yes, Grano. Ebi a 90 million euros, ebi a 85 million euros. Say na ye tuano, mobeji anamonje. So they will discuss this at length. No mehu. So at the end of this meeting, Satoti and Beton Hurricane the Ama Bayana. The meeting where no bet me amane drube 60%.
So Beton.
Yes.
After meeting we no bet me
drube 60%.
Chances never be strong.
Exactly. As it stands, a 10, 15, 20% maximum.
Okay.
Bayern no enya Hurricane or peke ni nyo. But formalities wey no mukoko di home command a best a fast track process no area ko be 60%. So the only thing that will be done is to follow up on the words and the meeting arrangement. And it's omujitum forbid ne fabra 95 afena Bayern for no kwa prepare the tax element, the legal process is normal steady, then ombe send the bed ne di aba.
Okay.
But sisi e no forbid ne fan but ombe to omano. So the meeting no is very positive, and unlike the previous meeting, be no more na me catch us oh, and no more could say I want to say anyway akeke. But this time around, Bayern for are optimistic. Say be we meeting where no na at the said na body in their pursuit of a branch offense Hurricane.
Hurricane and Kazan open say on your move up.
Hurricane wants to join Bayern, but he doesn't want to force a move out.
Oh, okay.
Or who say the future we thought him there about the way yanisa. But he's also not ruled out the option of say or bought this year, now I go free next year. But SS Spurs soon escape free, so he will be eager for them to listen to offers. And Bayern there no the interest in a pan. PSG showed an interest. In fact, PSG it was Tottenham and they offer Hurricane plus cash when Mbappe became available. But Hurricane does not want Paris Saint-Germain. But Spurs need the Onyaya and the Hurricane no discard count from Mbappe and also Nyanko Beton because Spurs in an ideal situation ebe pay a bedding wall into PSG pe Bayern pay a bet me a resibu on the akosho. But Kane has limited his options to just Bayern as it stands now. If in England Katim Bianco Nyobekwa it was Manchester United, but there is a problem. Ni na say on Man U for engine this Levy will want to negotiate with them. So they pushed that Hurricane idea aside and almost pursue Rasmus Højlund. And that is the arrangement. This is limited to just Bayern, the ideal destination.
Fami call PSG on Ousmane Dembele. Now Dembele say last time Bobo Soa sema Nkasa City. Okay,
so this is the report the major newspapers name. The front page of L'Equipe. Oyi Céline Boutier free moi. Paris Saint-Germain or more chase for Dembele no. I say Paris have found Dembele. Now say PSG is going all out for Ousmane Dembele. Then Oba AS Muswa. there is a capture here. Mbappe Cobra, Dembele say Alia. There's a Mbappe Eden or the realm into a decisive period.
Yes.
Dembele is walking away or walking away from here. Barcelona. Yabepa Mbappe the so. But we'll be me about Dembele. Now, what is the situation? The situation is that June 17th, Dembele ne maka ye interview. Ano tu ne num tu ka say Barca no on free na ohu Barca ne say e busunya de mano. 2 weeks after, precisely June 29th.
Yes.
Dembele agent, your friend Musa Sissoko, Equishia Matthew Alemani, and Alpe Jordi Kraif at a restaurant. Then Osanso Besi so on Dembele's intention to extend or renew with Barca with improved terms. Obebobo ne salary ni ade oje. Dembele contract nibewu 2024. But Barca who say oye a key piece of project na shall be person or building. So they wanted to stretch it for 2 more years from 2024 to 2026. And in community saying then you be here and improve terms. Barca no who say need a priority in 10 years or more year. So the priority for this summer was to give room for enough money to register new players on my signing. Any the youth players no more perform. They said they make kind of Saturday no. So Barca's intention has always been that you basically Dembele can we by January. Yes. Now this is where the issue comes in. PSG were offered Dembele, Gavi plus cash for Mbappe. Yes.
Oh, okay.
But in free Javi ho and in free Alemani ho. Intermediaries na kodi di san komo na mukodi di san konkonsano. But amount for the one aji di say Laporta na shade European. Dembele entourage na te no. They were peeved. So PSG also became aware say nkofwe na say Dembele no munya no meja ni nti ne ho nsem ne te sen. Then they contacted Musa Sissoko. And Sissoko briefly omo. Then PSG expressed interest. But now aka one thing. Dembele going back on his word. The promises he made in that interview with Marca. So on one kind, but we nyanwe, a cross Marca nyanwe. So as it stands, Dembele no to say Barca no bobi or call. He will want an amicable resolution of the whole saga. Dembele necessary obekwa, then PSG should go and negotiate with Barca, not omoko to release clause.
Wow.
It is end July 31. Abu say end. Na Obia and La Liga headquarters and Kutia Dembele release closer. Do not be surprised.
And then Obia
and Kutia, and to the American Saturday, no. I want to reinforce that stance. In as much as the media outlets are reporting heavily, say Dembele to PSG so close, imminent, no. It is not as it seems. A bit cumbersome and a bit chaotic. Nyome munna hosa. Dembele ni person obeying him. Niaka say he's a snake. He doesn't want to leave on a bad note because after all, last season, Nanko who quite so free for free. He stayed. And Javi has a trust, and he also has Javi's trust. And so far as Javi been to the new to see and torn in it there, Dembele still feels like he owes some kind of allegiance to the coach. It should be a the agent. And maybe a one Laporta because of some concern on Moko Ditre PSG. So Barca went in for Mbappe. Dembele was offered as part of the package. But now a true intermediaries, not Barca's direct club. In Tebia Laporta Crobet media titimitis on Onkoye. So Dembele issue, no, he has not said a definite yes to PSG. He's okay if he moves there, but only if PSG ne Barca Tanase Kasa. No multimedia komoma BBAC. Barca follows Ubia is say a could critical neighbor ba. Monko to release clause in any be a negotiation. So that's the stance. But as it stands now, maybe who say 50-50. Dembele Tinani Dembele ko 50-50.
And anything can happen. 31st July.
Yeah.
Now Mrs. Ankomon already kind of me.
Yeah.
On Kylian Mbappe. Now situation na nkaza migi. Zeni sitie Mbappe die no so no family mu nena de corner ne daach no zeni sitie
o hwe ha o matro Kylian recibe hoy su bonus de fidelidad de 40 million euros let's say ende I never church na ali e be no na bank transfer su bank transfer na betuli say and the last deadline Mbappe will need to signal his intent to continue with PSG or otherwise. Already, what letter bro? Then so or extending the contract no extending already we are communicating with Dada. There could be a mere formalities. There's a Mbappe to or find the phone no me as well. No check or check it time be I check it do me as well because it's awaiting alert. Bank alert. Nigeria never see a bank alert. Or 40 million, which is the first tranche of an 80 million package a year loyalty bonus due him. 1st August of this year, ever triggered the next phase of Mbappe's 2-year deal. First year, ne na kwa kugu, waji hu scary. Into the second year, who loyalty bonus obeje. Then the salary there, and there obeje because what's not club on kwa obeye. Now PSG amani huni na and say they had wanted this situation averted. Now compensate sasem when kensi ke bedroom praying no. Now commit me ya Mbappe as son I just oh me ana me kind my sister Madrid may renew next year me ko na mabo. But that has not happened. So mubu fupa and even some of the media outlets in France are reporting say Mbappe autographs no coach lo sign PSG for the both.
I'm also now for reporters as
exactly because they see it as a move. Say Mbappe is trying to win over the fans. Now we're pitting the fans against the club. In Mbappe say player ne there. Anyone on why BB club no more running here now for BB Saba. So they see it as a political tactical Mbappe no on any camp or my deploy, and they are not so pleased at that. And by close of day, see a BBR. PSG so amount to Mbappe nkwa de na Mbappe omu player ombe transfer 40 million the amano.
Wow.
Yeah. And Mbappe says kana he will still stay by January. January ombe so aje 40. Now say what now for 1 year? No way. Now the issue here is this. PSG can withhold the money and then trigger a legal process.
Oh, okay.
Upon this cano. No a trigger legal process. Say one player no and your loyalty be and or show to us, but rather he's trying to play smart and he's putting us in a very dire financial situation. So there could be a legal process and a legal battle between the parties. Say PSG si mintia ya ni kind but contract ye ko hwehwem ni ehu de ebeye. So these things can also happen, but as it stands per the contractual obligations it was a PSG to have 40 million euros de Mbappe. Now there's another twist. Mbappe come this will be say somewhere where you bet me free because they think that Madrid for no or mutrimu because they Mbappe is capable of anything.
Oh, you don't do it me.
Good.
Yeah.
And they fear that when he becomes free, no available as it stands now. Some of the English Premier League teams bet me prepare a budget to woo him to their end. Because Premier League teams no mabani nano a player plus cash swap. Player plus cash swap. Now, so obia ye ne expenditure we United our talk kakra into the budget na so hwan. Chelsea our talk kakra so hwan. Liverpool our talk kakra so hwan. But next time no one say Mbappe be free there, they will go all out and try to see if they can persuade him to join their end. Madrid and Penita. Omu pen that exclusivity say Mbappe available or bow. So they are thinking twice about it. Two, boy name ameso epese. So move free wa. They want all this process to be so smooth. Na obia and fire DBA and fan shenemu. So behind the scenes, and also using intermediaries to convince Madrid to try and pay some transfer fee no more. Package ni nano estimated say it will be worth 230 million euros, but it will not be the entire transfer fee. 230 no, if you bear the transfer fee, maybe buy the package to Mbappe. Madrid will not pay in excess of that to get the Mbappe operation done. And they want to act like gentlemen. And that is the twist ever with Mbappe angle. So what to say, yes, this could be a decisive week for the transfer now, is because such proposals have been tabled. But Madrid means in the and now on Jintumu. But it is something that is in the pipeline now. A bit to me, Cynthia. Do not be surprised as well. Say anything can happen.
And then no Barney, I want to trigger extension.
David, time in the you have first August and one. So the only thing that PSG has is to sell him. And also they are waiting for the highest bidder. Obiasu ni score deba.
Aiza E4 na Saudi 4.
What do you say me catch us omo free open on fa?
Also na anu aso.
Oh, fi omo crack. Omo free omo po omo entourage mbra. Omo bi epon fa mo. because he thinks that Europa is a competitive player. So he wants to stay there.
What about the last year? PSG for
no, was the PSG for no put themselves in this situation? On what day a yes Safwa Mbappe Crano, a Safwa a PSG Punubia, they handed him that power, so they made him too powerful. And then the beast they read is back to eat them. That is the situation that also concern the transfers. And then Osimhen the agent never baby Napoli air preseason and Renyumbre. So I expect that in the course of the week meeting because no. So this week will be decisive. Osimhen renewal, Lukaku to Juve, Mbappe Real Madrid, Dembele PSG. Week we know, week